Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday today. Welcome to the Hayden YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about diversification. I have been selling on Amazon now since 2015. Just for those of you who don't know, I was doing private label back in the day. I had my own sports and outdoor company going. I ended up closing that down 2 years later, went into consulting for quite some time, and I still am. I still have kept one client recently, and I just dropped down from two due to time constraints. And about 9 months ago now, I started into books, and I've been doing books very consistently. I started actually in my garage at my house, and now, as of 3 months ago, I'm now in a warehouse, probably 4 months now. I think it was August 1st. August, September, October, November. Yeah, about 4 months ago. And so where I've got it now on Amazon, I'm very happy in terms of sales and income as well. It's not about sales, right? It's about income, but there are certain sales plateaus when you know what your profit margin is that you want to aim for sure. So what I'm trying to do right now is diversify, because I don't think this is going to happen. I don't think it's something to worry about, but Amazon could shut you down at any minute without any way to get it back up, at least quickly. So what I'm doing now is I'm diversifying. So I started an eBay store yesterday. And so what happened is I've been getting, so I'm primarily books. I'm 99% books. I do have video games that sell. I do have audio books that sell. But what I'm doing now is I have started officially, I had an eBay store, but I am now going full speed on eBay as well. I am not cutting back or stopping books on Amazon whatsoever. We're still going full steam ahead. Our goal every week is a pallet and a quarter, and we want to hit 5 pallets a month. That's our goal, which we do on a regular basis. This month we might be a little shy because of the holidays, but we're trying to push out 2 more pallets this week. But in my mind, it's very important to diversify, but I'm also not going to Amazon books, they work 100%. I mean, I'm very, very happy. I actually can't, honestly, you guys, I can't believe how quickly I got to where I am. It's pretty wild, going from zero 9 months ago to now. We're probably going to do 25,000 in sales this month. And we're going to be I'm going to do a full report for you guys, because, screw saying sales. I'll tell you what the whole business made at the end of December, because now things are really starting to, come through all the scale we've been doing. But I'll share with you those numbers. But again, we'll probably end out at about 25,000 in sales and somewhere around 30% profit, I'm assuming. And I also have other income streams as well. It's not just my books. I have the consulting, like I said. And there's other avenues I have started to do with books. One I am not going to share for a little bit because I think it's a good opportunity. Maybe down the road we'll talk about it, but I'm going to keep that close to the chest right now. But anyways, I'm diversifying onto eBay. I put up 54 listings yesterday just to kind of get my feet wet. It's new for me. I'm not familiar with the whole listing process and all that. But I actually already sold 2 items. So that was pretty, I was kind of surprised, to be honest with you. So I'm going to be doing DVDs, CDs, video games, and books on eBay. Now, something important to note. I have made a video in the past saying you should stick to one thing, and I did mean that 100%. I already get all those items with my books, you guys. So those go in the trash pretty much if I can't monetize them. So I'm doing this because, one, I want to diversify, but two, I want to monetize what I have. And listing DVDs, books, CDs, and video games, they're all very much the same. It's a similar thing. So it's not like I'm changing up my business model a ton. I'm just diversifying and I'm adding income streams. It's not screwing up my flow. Obviously, there's another, platform I'm on now, but I need to do that to diversify. If anything happens with Amazon, I'll know that I already have eBay rolling, and I can, worst case scenario, I do a removal order and send it over there. So that's what I'm doing now. I highly recommend that you guys do the same and just play around with eBay. I think you get 50 listings for free when you start it. At least I did. And right now, if you guys are on eBay and have been doing eBay, I'd love for you to give me some help here and let me know what you're doing. I'm trying to decide between basic and premium. I think what I'm going to need is premium because right now they're charging me, after the free 50, it's 35 cents a listing. And just doing quick math, I'm going to go through those really fast. So let me know what you guys think. I probably will list, I think for premium it says you can list 1,000 products a month for a free fixed price. So I think actually premium will be good because I'm not intending, at least initially in the first month or two, to do over 1,000 products a month listing on there, because I'm already listing like 5,000 on Amazon a month. And so I don't have the bandwidth for that yet, but let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you guys are doing to diversify. If there's any other good channels you think I should be on, let me know, because I am, 99% Amazon right now. So I'd love to hear from you guys. That's gonna be it today. I gotta get rolling, and I got a ton to list to get all these items out. I'm also, side note, gonna be selling some random stuff. Like this is crazy. So I got this in one of the Gaylords. It's I think it says it's $80. So I just listed this on eBay. We'll see how that does. I also got this yesterday. I got two things. I got another tablet. I don't even know what this is, but it works. And I got this too. This is literally like a brand new camera, and it works 100%. So it's kind of cool, you guys. So I'm going to list these two. I don't know what these are worth, but I'll find out. But you always find, when you go bulk, that's one of the fun things. You always find all these cool items. And for those of you who didn't watch the video a couple days ago, I have that wrestling belt. I'm gonna try and get that on eBay too. I looked online. It says $300 to $400 for that one. So if that thing sells, that's like another 5 Gaylords I can buy. So that's nice. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the like button for me. That'd be awesome. Share with your friends, and please add comments. And let me know about eBay. Let me know what you guys are doing to diversify, because I am here to learn as much as you are. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Talk soon.